Hi, we are Mark and Melissa Scofield, owner of Garage Experts of Denver Metro. We are your local garage makeover company specializing in our lifetime warranty, epoxy flooring, custom cabinets, and anything that has to do with your organizational garage needs.
So we've been affected both negatively and positively, just like everyone else. We actually have seen a little upspike in business. I think it's because people are home and they have time to look in their garage and see that it's needing organization, needing a new floor, or whatever it is that they need. How we've adapted is typically we like to come shake your hand and get to know you as a customer. We're able to do everything virtually, and with COVID we've done that, so we can do everything from the phone call for the bid to execution and payment all virtually.
What makes us stand out is we're local. We offer a lifetime warranty on our epoxy flooring and our custom cabinets. We can do any color you could possibly imagine, and with us you're dealing with a face and not an 800 number.